Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want on your Burger King burger is somebody else's foot fungus. But as it turns out, that might be just what you're getting. An anonymous 4chaner posted a photo of themselves in their work boots, standing in a tub of Burger King lettuce. This is quite shocking. Yeah. Ugh. Did I tell you about my hip dips? They are quite deep. My jewelry ain't there too. And yeah, don't talk about my legs. But did I tell you about my hip dips? Line. Oh yeah. You gonna fuck me? I mean, you gonna stop me, fruitcake? Apologies, hang on. Cut! Oh yeah. You gonna stop me, fruitcake? If I got hungry enough, you would be my next meal. So don't get in my way. Walking around with all that cake as if I wasn't gonna take a bite. Baby, do you think I don't know what I'm doing? I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly how much pain my victims go through. I am pissed. I haven't eaten another Levinex in 5 months, and it's pissing me off they taste so good. Maybe 8 months. I'm a hungry, hungry boy. Like a hungry little hippo. My hunger, it's unending. Like a ceaseless void. And, makes me a little cranky. A little upsetty spaghetti, even.